Marketers, lead generators. You want to know what your biggest and most expensive problem is? It's that you're out there generating leads and you're not actually contacting them quick enough, and you don't have a proper system set in place to follow up with them properly until you actually contact them and convert them to buy your product or service and give you money, which is the end goal of generating leads. Am I right? So this is a huge problem for you, and it's actually costing you a whole lot of money. Not only is there the money that you actually spent on generating the lead, but there's also the huge opportune cost of them not buying your stuff. Did you know that over 75% of all customers actually buy from the first responder? The person who contacts them first, that's who 75% of all customers buy from. Did you know that your likelihood of actually converting a lead into a paying customer decreases by over 390% if you wait more than 2 minutes to contact them after they submit your form and they're hot and fresh and your business is still right there on the top of their brain? Did you know that over 55% of all businesses spend more than 5 days before they contact a lead that they generate? It's a huge problem for you guys, and it's costing you so much money. But lucky for you, a genius software engineer has solved your biggest problem. So my name is John Vaughn, and I'm not a marketer. I'm a software engineer. I'm the founder and CEO of the software development firm Tier 5, and for the last 10 years, I've been working with businesses and marketers to help them build and develop systems to go in and contact their leads and nurture their leads and actually maximize the ROI that they get on all the leads that they generate by contacting them faster than their competitors and following up with them better than their competitors. So if you'd like to see how these systems work, then all you have to do is submit the form that's right here, and it will automatically trigger a demo, and I'll show you how smart people contact their leads very fast and they follow up with them accurately and often until they go in and finally talk to them and get them to convert. So all you have to do if you're interested in solving your biggest and most expensive problem is go ahead and submit your information right here in this form, and then the demo will start. I'm going to contact you and show you how easy these systems work. Even if I'm filming an ad like I am right now, I'll get notified that I have a new lead and I can stop what I'm doing. I don't have to spend any of my time or effort. It's all automated through the system. So if you want to test it out and see how it works, just go ahead and submit the form. After you submit the form, the demo will start. I'll be contacting you, so wait for me to contact you. And I'm going to take you to a page where I explain more of this information and how these systems work, and more importantly, how you can implement them today, right now, in your business so that you can actually maximize the ROI that you get on your leads and basically stop throwing money out the window.